hard. No food to chop. Every day they rise. See the people them they cry.
No. Okay, anyhow, the matter be, we dey beg the government politicians, they make their pity for us. Now, so I want to thank all of you now when help us, when even join body to contribute to the people when it be like, say, water carry their house. Everybody, Oga Marshal Stanley, all the way from River State, Port Harcourt, that is the former deputy house speaker for inside River State, Port Harcourt. I double give you, everybody, them when join body support, contribution here and there, repost here and there. God bless you, Nasibi. Say everybody, we don't support them. And I say we display some kind material. And very soon I will bring out the photo on top of the picture. God bless you all of you now. Now maybe the person wanna know as Mazi Mayor.
Politicians show some love. Oh no.